Team, Hydel High School. First of all, coach, congrats. Another match, another win. How are you feeling right now?
Not good enough. Not good, to be honest. We win 4-love, but not good.
Yeah, coach, you won 4-2. You know, yeah.
2014.
Conceding 2 goals early, you know, you didn't seem rattled at all. What were your thoughts after conceding those early 2 goals?
It's a matter of how much we are win by. You know, it's just the team take a little bit of time to settle. But unfortunately, we give away 2 free kicks in and around the box, and it cost us 2 goals. After we do some mapping up and some adjustments, you know, the ship began to sail and it docked the harbour with 4-2 now.
Alright, coach, you guys would have won your zone qualifying for the Champions Cup, and then would have been forced to make a long journey to Manchester, initially thinking of States. What are your thoughts on the top seeding teams having to travel and the second place teams getting to stay home?
I remember the scripture, but a part of the Bible said that sometimes you're going desolate places to seek your bread. Anywhere them send we go play, it don't really matter to me. To be honest, it don't really matter. I have a set of soldiers out there. Once they are called to the battlefield, anyway, they go and they deliver.
Alright, coach, so you guys got in the game, you know, you started to score some goals. You know, after you scored the first goal in the first half, it was Henry. How did you feel after scoring that first goal?
When we'll score the next one, and the next one, and the next one.
Alright, coach, so this is a relatively easy match for you guys. You guys have bigger things, you know, going forward in the Champions Cup and in the Manning Cup. What are you going to tell these boys to continue to prepare them for the upcoming match on Friday and in the Champions Cup semi-final?
What I've been doing from summer up to now, that's what I'm going to tell them. I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to tell them, but, you know, we're going to regroup, you know, mend our wounds and come again. You'll see us on Friday, or even tomorrow. You'll see us anytime. You know, we'll be there.
And lastly, coach, today, you know, your standout player would have been Kian Johnson, you know, in the middle of the park, in my opinion. What were your thoughts on his performance today?
It was a collective effort from everybody. I think Kiani have much more to offer. You know, only if Kiani believe in himself and push himself to the limit. He's a bit too reserved as a player. Very talented, but too reserved. Any day Kiani come out and make up his mind to play some football, you know, the sky is the limit for him.
Alright, coach, once again, congrats.
Respect.
What do you think of the man for your team?